So this is your workshop, your workplace?
This is my little, this is where it all happens, so it's all a bit of a mess, but I think that's how the workshop should be. So these are hanging up there are just...
Are these work in progress? Or?
Yeah, there's it's more doubles of things that are in the shop. There's some ideas ready for the next seasons. Fabrics stacked up. I've got a big stock room just next door with all the big rolls. These are just my bits and pieces. My machines.
Is this old school stuff? Do all designers work with these machines?
Oh, I don't really know. I mean, these are basic industrial machines. Yeah, they're not anything. I mean, the one on the left is particularly old, but I love the old machines because they're really solid and heavy.
Sturdy.
Yeah, very sturdy, and they work very hard. You know, these machines are working most days for several hours a day. So.
And they're hanging in there and doing all the work, no problem.
And yeah, my cutting table, which is it's all a bit kind of no, it's nothing very posh here. It's a door that's just on top of my old kitchen table from London. And,
Perfect.
I'm just about to cut out a coat in this fabric that we saw earlier.
All right.
This is the hardest part, painting my pans. Such a small workshop. Oh, I know what it is. So I had a tidy up. My couture guru, Yvonne, is not watching this because he's going to tell me off because I'm supposed to draw it out first and then take the pattern off, but I don't have time. So I'm sorry, Yvonne. Okay.